Hi everyone, welcome back to Hiab Academy, the place where learning English is simple, fun, and useful. Today, we're re-diving into one of the most common but often confusing parts of English grammar, phrasal verbs. You've probably heard phrases like turn on the light, give up, or look after, right? Well, those are phrasal verbs. When a verb joins with a small word like up, on, off, or in to create a new meaning. In this video, we'll explore 20 of the most common phrasal verbs used by native English speakers every single day, with easy examples and meanings to help you remember them. So grab your notebook, relax, and by the end of this video, you'll start speaking more naturally and confidently in English. Let's get started. What are phrasal verbs? A phrasal verb is a verb plus one or more particles, prepositions, or adverbs that together create a new meaning, often different from the original verb. Phrasal verbs are very common in spoken English and make your language sound more natural and fluent. Native speakers use them every day instead of long formal verbs. Structure: a phrasal verb usually has verb plus adverb gives stand up. Wake up verb plus preposition gives look after. Look for verb plus adverb plus preposition gives get away with. Put up with common phrasal verbs and their meanings. 1. Break down: to stop working for machines or to become very upset. Example: my car broke down on the way home. 2. Bring up: to mention or start talking about a topic. Example: she brought up the idea of moving abroad. 3. Call off: to cancel something. Example: the meeting was called off due to rain. 4. Carry on: to continue doing something. Example: please carry on with your work. 5. Catch up with: to reach the same level or standard as someone else. Example: I need to catch up with my studies. 6. Come across: to find something or someone by chance. Example: I came across an old photo of us. 7. Find out: to discover or learn something. Example: I just found out that she moved to Canada. 8. Get along with: to have a good relationship with someone. Example: I get along well with my coworkers. 9. Give up: to stop doing something. Example: don't give up on your dreams. 10. Go on: to continue or happen. Example: what's going on here? 11. Hold on: to wait for a short time. Example: hold on, I'll be ready in a minute. 12. Look after: to take care of someone or something. Example: she looks after her younger brother. 13. Look for: to try to find something. Example: I'm looking for my keys. 14. Look forward to be excited about something that is going to happen. Example: I'm looking forward to the weekend. 15. Make up: to invent a story or to become friends again after a fight. Example: they made up after the argument. 16. Pick up: to collect or lift something. To learn something new. Example: can you pick me up from the station? 17. Put off: to delay or postpone something. Example: don't put off your homework until tomorrow. 18. Run out of: to use all of something and have none left. Example: we've run out of milk. 19. Set up to arrange or start something. Example, they set up a new company last year. 20. Turn down to reject or refuse something. Example, she turned down the job offer. And there you have it, to 20 of the most useful phrasal verbs you can start using today. When you learn phrasal verbs, remember this simple trick. Try to use them in sentences that relate to your real life. The more you use them, the more natural they'll feel when you speak or write in English. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who are learning English too. And let me know in the comments which phrasal verb was new to you today. Thank you for watching Hayab Academy, where learning English is easy, practical, and fun.